Hello. I'm driving to Mom's, so you're probably going to get a weird angle. I'm just on one of these little side streets right here. I'm about 2 blocks away. Well, maybe about 4 blocks. Anyway, so I brought my muffin for breakfast, but it's frozen. So I don't know if I'll be eating it or if I'll be making eggs at Mom's house. I'll just have to wait and see. She mentioned last night that there was not a lot of breakfast left. The kids, they're older now, so they eat a whole lot more, and so it's kind of hard to know for her what to buy for them because she's just used to buying for herself. So anyway, I stopped at Krispy Kremes and bought 2 dozen donuts. So I'm taking those. So I know that the kids will eat on those and some other stuff, and I think she has some yogurt and stuff like that. So but I did not eat, and I did not cook anything this morning for breakfast because, I just wanted to hurry up and get here because they all leave out today. So anyway, just wanted to update you. I'm on my way to Mom's, and I don't know exactly what I'll be able to show today since it's kind of we're at that tail end time of us all being together. So, okay, bye. It's pitiful looking, but there is my breakfast egg muffin. I'm going to eat my Rutabaga soup, and it is almost 11, so Rutabaga soup. Hello, so I'm at Mom's. I had that Rutabaga soup, and then we had salad and some pizza. I ate the topping off of the pizza. I just didn't video it. It was too chaotic, so that's what I had for my lunch. And everybody's packing up and about to leave to go to their respective places. So, yep, so now we're all just kind of hugging and saying goodbye and all that good stuff. And then I'll go home and do my thing at home. And I go back to work tomorrow, but I have to work from my home. So I'll still be, doing everything from home. But, okay. Hey, here's an outfit that I got from the Safe House. I like this shirt. It's kind of cute. It's got a little flair to it. And then I got these leggings at the Safe House last week. And then I got these are not from the thrift store, these boots, but got my boots. So, yeah, it's just a fun little outfit to spend the day with the family. Boy, that's a little bit, hello. Anyway, so my home, the family is all done. They're all leaving. They're all going to their places. So my one sister, she lives in Pennsylvania, and so she's flying out tomorrow morning. So she drives up to St. Louis, and then she'll fly out. They're actually flying to Charlotte, and then they're gonna do some stuff and then go back home to Pittsburgh. The other sister, she lives in Jefferson City, which is about 3.5 hours away. So her and her 2 girls and her husband and his daughter, and they all left today. And the way it works is I'm always here. I live here. So at Christmas, sometime between a little bit after Thanksgiving, I'll go to Mom's and I haul all the Christmas boxes upstairs and I help her set up her tree and just a few little heavy things. And then she usually takes a couple weeks and puts things where she wants them and sets them up and decorates this and that. And then she'll one by one take the boxes back downstairs. So then I do the setup. And then when my sisters come to town after all the hustle and bustle and before they go home, they take everything off the tree and put everything back in the boxes and take it all downstairs. So that's kind of usually the way it works. I help with the setup. They do the majority of the takedown. So anyway, so now Mom's house is kind of back to how it was before Christmas. So of course now she kind of will piddle around and wash the sheets and stuff like that. But she's home all day, so she doesn't work, so she's able to kind of piddle with that stuff, and it gives her something to do. Sorry, Mom, I got to tell your business. But anyway, so it was a good visit. It was really fun. Got to spend a lot of time with the family. Like I said, lunch, I had salad and some toppings off of some pizza. Supper, I will show you what that's going to be next. I just wanted to check in and show you my thrift store outfit. I thought this is a cute little space. It's like a space shirt. And then some leggings. So I got both from the Women's Safe House thrift store. Okay. And I got a lot of compliments on all three of my coats. You know, I get a lot of compliments on those. Because, you know, I got them all at the thrift store. So anyway, okay. I will see you at supper. Bye. So one of the fun things my sister, she didn't want, and she had, it was a hair towel wrap. So it's one of those that you flip your hair over, and then after you wash it, and then you twist it, and then it's like one of them hair turban things. Where's the end of it? Come on, where you at there, fella? There you are. And then you let your, well, that's a nice shot. Anyway, and then you're supposed to hook this little piece around the button. And anyway, so it lets your hair be up and while it dries. So I'm like, that'll be perfect. I'll use that in the morning while I'm doing my makeup and letting my hair dry a little bit. Help soak up some of the stuff. Let's see. Oh, so after everybody goes home, my mom doesn't like having a lot of stuff in the house because it's just her. And things are going to go bad. So she'll send things home with me. So for when my nephew, I knew he loves coffee, so I bought some of these sugar-free Torani coffee flavorings. So I bought some of those for him. So now that they're gone, I'll just set them over there, and I'll be using those. So I'll be putting those in my coffee sometimes. Mom had made some pulled pork, and she's got Terry's pork because it doesn't have any kind of sauce or anything on it. So I'll work on eating that over the time. She had a bag of California mixed vegetables. I'm going to toss those in the freezer. Let's see what else we got. Oh, cottage cheese. So I'm going to find a way to work this into my meal prep somehow. Oh, I got my jicamas. Got all my jicama left over. So I'll keep nibbling on that. Some yogurts. I might eat on these, or I might throw them away. Judy, if you're watching, I'm sorry. Don't watch. There's 7 carbs and 90 calories, and yeah, Judy, don't see this part. That's okay. She'll never know. Maybe Mom won't watch this. But on the other side, I've got my Rutabaga au gratin that I made. I definitely want this because that was delicious. And yeah, I think that's all of the stuff. Oh, let's see what else I got over here. Got a couple tomatoes. Mom didn't want them to go bad, so got those. Set that over there. You'd be proud. I stopped and picked up Krispy Kreme for my nieces and nephews this morning. I didn't have any. I wasn't tempted. Didn't lick my fingers or nothing. That's from my soup that I took. For supper, I'll have my what I made up this morning. I took some Rayo's marinara and this. So I'll be eating this for supper. It's the 93% ground beef and some Rutabaga fries. So I'll be eating this for supper. But looks like there's something on there. Anyway, so I'll have that in a little bit. But yeah, so, you know, everything went well. I ate well. I don't feel like I did anything bad. I do know that my calories were higher than normal, but hey, I stayed on plan. I did not eat the crust of any of the pizza. I didn't eat any bread. I didn't eat any of Mom's lasagna noodles. I didn't, you know, I had the 2 bites of cake or ice cream cake last night, and I think that was really the worst thing I did over the past Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Of the past 5 days, 2 bites of ice cream cake. And you know what? I'm not going to break myself about it or fuss at myself. So it was all good. It was a successful Christmas time. So, okay, I'll say goodbye. I'm going to put all this stuff away. Okay, for supper, Mom had some pulled pork that she made this week. And I think I showed me eating it. I'm going to add some of my hickory barbecue sauce to it. The G Hughes. I'll do 30 grams. And then I'm going to do a little bit of the sweet chili of G Hughes. I'm going to do 15 grams of this. Alright. So I've already nuked it for about a minute, but I want to nuke it again with the barbecue sauce on it. I'm heating up the au gratin. I'm just kind of finishing up all that stuff before I get back to my stuff. So that way I can get back tomorrow eating my usual stuff. So that's going to cook for 45 seconds. Then I'll do this for a minute and I'll get back to you. Okay, so my Rutabaga au gratin is done. And my pulled pork is done. I think I used more broth in the au gratin this time, which is fine. You know, it's going to be different every time I make it. But let me get this all stirred in. And there you go. There's my pulled pork. It's kind of hot. Let's see. Ow. Yeah, no. I know it's good, so I don't have to take a bite. Let's see about the au gratin. Yep, that's good. Come on, there we go. All right, that's what I'm having for supper. Have a good night, and I will see you tomorrow. I'm working from home tomorrow, so I'll still, you know, I'll probably cook my breakfast because I'll still get up at the butt crack of dawn, and so I'll do that so that way I don't start work at 6 o'clock in the morning. All right, bye.